Hello champion, welcome to my math class. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw a line. I'm going to teach you how to draw a line. So how do we get a line? Where does a line come from? We say drawing straight lines. How do we get straight lines? So we say straight lines have, that's good. So we say straight line have coordinates that are linear, meaning they are in the same line. So when two ordinates are connected, they form a line. That's, for instance, the project investigation. For example, you have point A is at 1, 2, and point B, or coordinate B, is at, let's say, 6, 5. Let's see in our investigation. So let's have our Cartesian plane. Our Cartesian plane, they're both positive values. So we have y-axis and we have our x-axis, correct? So origin is 0, 0, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our x-axis is 1, 2. So we have 1, that's point A, and B, it's 6, 5. And B, it's at point 6. Correct. When these 2 points are connected, they form a straight line. Wow. So this is called a straight line. This is how a line is being formed. So a line can be formed by connecting 2 coordinates. That's it. Now, what happens when you are given points and you need to come up with the line? The same. Or you are given an equation and then you need to come up with a line. You just need to think of 2 points that can satisfy your equation and then plot it. Find the x and y values, x and y values of first point and x and y values of the second point, then draw a line connecting them. Wow. So that's how you draw a line correctly. So that's everything about drawing a line. So you can have many points as possible. So you might be given an equation, but the most important thing is to understand how to draw a line. For instance, you're given let's say point A, it's 2, 1, and point B, let's say 5, 7. What you just need to do, find point 2, 1, and then and 5, 7, then connect them. You draw a straight line with a ruler. Use ruler. Just use your ruler. Use your ruler to draw the line. We say straight lines can have more than 2 points. Another term of point is coordinate. We say coordinates that are in the same line are termed as collinear points. Yeah, they are termed as collinear points. These are coordinates that are in the same line. They are termed as collinear points. That means you can have a point here and another point here and another point here. So point A, B, and C connected together. We say these ones are collinear point. So you can have different points connected together. Means collinear points, these are points that are in the same line, and all these points have the same, we say collinear points have the same gradient. This is what you're supposed to know as an IGCSE candidate. See you at the Top Champion. Let's meet in my next math class. Bye bye.